So now we're going to illustrate implicit differentiation. So number one, y squared is equal to 4x. So usually our functions are like this: y is equals to blank, so on and so forth. So what if it is y squared is equal to 4x, or x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 2? So what are we going to do? So what we're going to do is called the implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation, for us to show, para ipakita, ganito gagawin: y squared is equal to 4x. So differentiate, get the derivative of this one, get the derivative of this one. So the derivative of y squared is 2y. Lagyan mo ng dy over dx. So this is a symbol of the derivative, di ba? Kung ang hinanapan mo ng derivative is yung y, so lagyan mo siya ng dy over dx. Pero kapag x lang, so you don't need to put dy over dx. So the derivative of 4x is 4. So sunod, kailangan na dy over dx lang dito sa kabila. So what we're going to do is divide both sides by 2y. So divide both sides by 2y. So cancel 2y. What's left is dy over dx. So the derivative is 4 over 2y. So next, for number 2, x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 2. What you're going to do in here is you're going to find the derivative of both sides. So x cubed, 3x squared plus, because it's x, so you don't need to put dy over dx. So this one is y, so lagyan mo siya ng dy over dx. Pero ang derivative is 3y pala, y squared, 3 minus 1 is 2. Lagyan mo ng dy over dx, because this is y, is equal to, the derivative of 2 is 0. Next, transpose mo itong walang dy over dx. So d is equal to negative 3x squared. So divide both sides by 3y squared. So dot ang matira na lang dito is dy over dx is equal to x squared over y squared negative. Cancel yung 3. So natira na lang is negative x squared over y squared. So the derivative is this one. So next, y sine y is equal to xy. So there are dalawang ihanapan mo ng derivative. So gagawin mo yung product rule. So y at saka sine y. So what you're going to do here is like this. So una copy muna si y, tapos kunin mong derivative ni sine y. So sine y, may y siya, so lagyan mo ng dy over dx. So the derivative of sine y is cosine y. Kasi may y, so lagyan mo ng dy over dx. Plus, ang sine y na naman ay kopyahin mo product rule. Tapos, hanapan mo ng derivative si y. Y siya, so ibig sabihin 1 times dy over dx. So halimbawa, again, pag may y yung hinanapan mo ng derivative, lagyan mo palagi ng dy over dx. Next, xy. So use still product rule. Kopyahin mong x times y. What's the derivative of y? It's 1. So dy over dx again, because it's y. Plus, copy ang y. Hanapan mo ng derivative si x, which is 1. Dx, dy over dx, no. Kasi x ang hinanapan mo ng derivative, so you don't need to put dy over dx. Next, lahat ng dy over dx, ilipat mo dito sa kabila. Lahat ng wala dito sa right side. So, this one is y cosine y dy over dx plus 1 times sine y, that's sine y dy over dx. Transpose this one, this is 1x. It will become negative 1x. dy over dx is equal to 1 times y, y. Next, the dy over dx, so ilabas siya. It's the common dy over dx. So y cosine y plus sine y minus 1x is equal to y. Divide both sides by y cosine y plus sine y minus 1x. Para makancel siya, matira na lang dy over dx. Y cosine y plus sine y minus 1x. So the final answer is dy over dx is equal to y over y cosine y plus sine y minus 1x. So that's the answer. Next, for our next example, we need to know these two facts. For first one, yung derivative ni ln u is equal to 1 over u times du over dx. For the derivative of tan to the negative 1 u is equal to 1 over 1 plus u squared times du over dx. So to better understand that, we're going to solve number 4. For number 4, so implicit differentiation, hanapin yung derivative nito. So ang derivative nito is cosine, am I right? It's 1 over cosine y squared minus 3 times, ay, bakit maging ganyan? Sorry. Ganito palang derivative niya. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So negative sine y squared minus 3. Tapos hanapin mong derivative nitong nasa loob. It's negative, it's 2y minus 0. 2y siya. So because it's y, so lagyan mo ng dy over dx. Tapos the derivative ng negative 3 or minus 0. Minus 0 siya kasi 3. So next is equal to tan to the negative 1. Tan to the negative 1. So this is the how we're going to find the derivative. So magiging 1 plus 1 over, this is the u. So magiging 1 plus x to the 3 raised to the power of 2 times, hanapin mo yung derivative ng x cubed. So 3x squared plus, sa ln naman, ganitong gagawin. So 1 over u, which is u dito is y. So 1 over y times, hanapin mo yung derivative ni y. Derivative ni y is 1 dy over dx. Lagyan mo ng dy over dx because it's y. Next, ang gagawin mo, lahat ng may dy over dx, ilipat mo sa kabila. So it will become dy over dx negative 2y sine y squared minus 3. So it multiply mo lang yan, maging negative 2y sine y cube or y squared minus 3. Tapos ilipat mo ito, kung ilipat mo siya, so magiging negative. So negative 1 over y. Ilabas na natin dy over dx is equal to 1 over, or 1 times 3x squared, that's 3x squared over 1 plus x to the power of 6. So next natin gagawin, so divide both sides, diba, by this one. So negative 2y sine y squared minus 3 minus 1 over y, para dy over dx na lang matira. So dy over dx is equal to negative 2y sine y squared minus 3 minus 1 over y. So ang mangyari niyan, this is the answer. 3x squared over 1 plus x to the 6 over negative 2y sine y squared minus 3 minus 1 over y. So this is the answer. So that's how you're going to do or illustrate the implicit differentiation.